Everybody, on today's show, it's the Hungry Piney breakfast egg sandwich. So don't miss it. It's going to be a good one. We're going to start off with our basic ingredients here and on with the sandwich. We got our grill on medium high. We want to throw down 2 or 3 tater tots right here like this. Arrange them up like that. Just let them cook for a few minutes. It's going. Got them ranged in sort of like a circle because you want to take your pepper and cut it. You're going to put it right over top of it. Get them right in there. Like that. Take the other one. Drop it right in there. Let that cook up. Put my McMuffins down on the low side of the grill just to get them browned up. Tater tots cooking. You want to throw on your onion on the top as much as you want. You like a lot of onion? Put a lot of onion. Like a little onion? Put a little onion. You don't like any onion? Don't put no onion. Tots and the peppers going and the onions. Now I'm going to show you a little chef's secret. Don't tell nobody. Take a little bit of butter and put on there. Believe it or not, all the restaurants do this. Let that melt down in there. Then you're going to take your egg, crack your egg on there. Check me out. Oh yeah. Take the other one. It's alright. Mess is a mess. We're cooking here. It's all good eatings. This ain't no high-private studio. We're out in the middle of the New Jersey Pinelands. You can fix it. Alright. Let that cook up. We got our English muffins going, browning up. Gonna put a little kick to that and put some barbecue sauce on them. Then over here, we got our sandwich going. Looks a little bit messy, don't worry about it. That's why we got cheese. Cheese covers up everything. That's another chef's secret. Cheese. Not also delicious, but it'll cover up your mistakes. Top it back off, wait till it melts. Barbecue sauce, I put it on this English muffin. I'm gonna put it over and toast it a little bit more. Then we'll put the sandwich together. And we got some good eatings. While we're waiting for the cheese to melt, have you seen my new commercial? Here it is. A 1, 2, 3, 4, hidey-ho, hidey-ho. It's the Hungry Piney cooking show, hidey-ho. English muffins are done. Looks like our pepper with tater tots, onion, cheese, and egg sandwich is about ready. So let's assemble it and put it together. Chow down. Piney egg sandwich. Add ketchup, mustard, whatever you like to it, because this is some good eatings. Oh yeah. Till next time, I'm the Hungry Piney. That's some good eatings.